In front of me is ZTE Nubia Z9 Max, and let me show you how to change ringtone on the following device. So first of all, you have to open the settings, then find and select sound right here, and go to phone ringtone. So let me show you all of them, starting with appointment. Let's just increase the volume so you can hear it clearly. Then let's go to your local music. You can also pick something from this album or sound recorder if you have any recording saved. But as for now, I'll pick one from the internal media, and actually that would be the last sound, this one. I really like it, so then just click on confirmation mark and the ringtone has been changed. So this is it, that would be all. This is how you can smoothly and easily change ringtone in your ZTE Nubia Z9 Max. Thank you for watching, please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.